there, awesome adventurers! Get ready for a super cool spelling and phonics adventure. We're exploring the land of words and letters. And guess what? You get to be the hero. Today, we've got a rad game for you. Guess the missing letters in words. Let's go and let's make learning crazy and fun. What's this? You're right. It's a bat. B, b, b. What's the missing letter? Good job. Let's say the sound. B, a, t. Bat. Very good. Now it's your turn. Well done! What's this? That's right. It's a hat. What's the missing letter? Great job! Now, let's say the sound. A, t. Hat. Now it's your turn. Well done. What about this? What's this? You're right. It's a cat. K, k, k. Now, what's the missing letter? Wow, very good. Let's say the sound. K, a, t. Cat. Can you do it? Great job! Oops! What's this? You're right. It's a bag. B, b, b. What's the missing letter? Very good. Now let's say the sound. B, a, g. Bag. Now it's your turn. Good job. What's this? Yes, it's a hen. What's the missing letter? Wow. Yes. Let's say it. E, n. Hen. Can you do it? Very good. Look, what's this? Yes, it's a dog. D, d, d. Which letter is missing? Very good. Now let's say it. D, a, g. Dog. Can you do it? Good job. What's this? You're right. It's a pot. Hmm, which letter is missing? You're right. Now let's say the word. P-A-T. Pot. Very good. Now it's your turn. Great job. What's this? You're right. It's a fox. Guess the missing letter. Wow. Now let's say the sound. Fox. Fox. Can you say it too? Great job! Hooray, kids! You really did a great job. You can watch it again and practice reading. Thank you for watching! Also, please like and subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified for our next videos. Keep watching and learning new words. Bye!